replacing the plastic inner fender liner on your car. In this video, we're demonstrating the process on a Toyota Vios 2014. You can apply these steps to many other car models as well. The first step is to remove the old plastic inner fender liner that is damaged or worn out. Over time, this part can become brittle, cracked, or loose, making it less effective in protecting your car from dirt and debris. Carefully detach the piece and remove any remaining clips or fasteners that may still be attached to the vehicle. Before installation, take the new plastic inner fender liner and align it with the mounting holes on the vehicle. This step ensures that all the clip positions match correctly, making the installation process smoother. If any holes don't align, double-check the positioning to avoid issues later. Once the alignment is confirmed, start inserting the clips one by one into their designated holes. Press firmly to lock each clip in place. Make sure to go around the entire panel, securing every clip to prevent any gaps or loose areas. After all the clips are inserted, perform a thorough check by gently tugging on the plastic panel at different points. This helps confirm that it is securely attached and will not come loose while driving. A properly installed plastic inner fender liner will fit snugly without any movement. For added stability, locate the front mounting bolts and tighten them securely. This will ensure that the plastic panel stays in place even when driving on rough roads or in harsh weather conditions. Once everything is installed, give the panel a final inspection. Make sure there are no loose areas, all clips are secure, and the bolts are tightened properly. Now your wheel well plastic is fully replaced and ready to provide protection.